Are you still copying and pasting data between Excel workbooks every single day, hoping nothing gets out of sync? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you most people manage multiple Excel files, like a master report and individual department sheets, and waste precious time copying data between them. Here is how it works. Open the destination workbook, the file where you want the data to appear, and click on an empty cell where you want the linked value to show up. Type an equal sign to start a formula. Let me break down exactly what this external reference formula means. The square brackets contain the name of the source workbook file, followed by the sheet name and an exclamation mark. Look at that. The destination workbook is now displaying live data pulled directly from the source file, and every time the source file is updated, this value refreshes automatically. You just learned how to link data between different Excel workbooks using external references so your files always stay in sync automatically.